Welcome to lesson 93, subtracting decimal numbers using zeros. Now you've used addition and subtraction decimal numbers before, and this lesson is very similar to that. But look at this problem here. 0.5 minus 0.38, or 5/10 minus 38 hundredths. Now when you subtract, the number that's first would go on top, right? When you subtract. So let's line up these decimals and write the number 38 hundredths on the bottom, and let's subtract. Now I have 0 minus 0 and 5 minus 3, but I have nothing here to minus the 8. That's what this lesson's about, putting a 0 in place so that you could subtract decimal numbers. If there is nothing in that column, and so you can't subtract, then place nothing there, a 0, right? That's nothing. So now you can subtract. Some students would be like, well, it was 5 minus 38. You can't do that. Let's do 38 minus 5. No, the number that's first would go on top, and 5 is really 50 hundredths. That was 5/10. It's the same as 50 hundredths. Now you can subtract hundredths minus hundredths. So let's subtract that. You would cross the 5 out and place the 1 there, and now you would have 4 minus 3 is 1, 10 minus 8 is 2, zeros come down, and the decimal for adding and subtracting goes straight down. It doesn't apply to multiplying or dividing, just adding and subtracting. So your answer is 0.12 or 12 hundredths. All right, let's try it again. On your homework, number 3 is 6.7 minus 0.89. Whenever you add or subtract decimals, I always say, just place the decimals lined up for how many numbers there are. There's 2 numbers here. I'm going to write 2 decimals. The first one was 6.7. The second one was 0.89. And I will subtract. Same thing as last problem, right? I have one column, and a final column, but no number up here. So let's place nothing up there. 0 is nothing. Now I could subtract. It's just like subtracting 670 minus 89. All right, I can't do that, so I'm going to borrow. And I can't do that, so I'm going to borrow once again. So now I have 10 minus 9, 1. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 0 is 5. And the decimals would go straight down. And my answer is 5.81, or 5 and 81 hundredths. All right, if you have a question about subtracting decimals in any form, whether you need to place a 0 or not, ask me, and I'll be glad to help. Thank you very much. Bye.